In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract shapes properly in PowerPoint with pictures and video. This will help you create dynamic and visually appealing slides by carving out interesting shapes and layers from your existing imagery. So let's dive right in. To start, you're going to need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already, load up the program. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. It should be ready and waiting for you in your list of recent files or stored in the location you saved it last. Now direct your attention to the specific slide that contains the image you want to work with. Click on that slide to ensure it's active so that any changes you make will apply directly to it. This serves as your canvas for today's lesson. Once you've got your slide selected, it's time to head over to the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements like images, shapes, and text boxes to your slides. It's located on the top menu bar of PowerPoint, and when you click it, you'll see a variety of tools spring into action. With the Insert tab open, look for the text box option. Go ahead and click that. You should now see a new text box on your slide. What you'll want to do next is add your text on top of your image. You can type in any text you want, but make sure it overlaps with the area of the image you plan to alter for the best effect. Next, select your image by clicking on it once. Then do the same with your text box. Hold down the Shift key as you click on it, which allows you to select multiple objects without losing your initial selection. It's crucial to have both the image and the text box selected at this stage. Now that both elements are highlighted, go to the Shape Format tab. You'll see this tab appear on the top menu bar once you've clicked on the shapes. This tab is where you can customize and format your shapes, giving them a professional touch. Within the Shape Format tab, find the option for Merge Shape. This feature is essential for combining or subtracting shapes in various creative ways. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From the drop-down, choose Subtract. This action will take the shape of your text box and carve it out from the image beneath it. This process creates a unique visual effect, perfect for adding artistic flair to your presentations. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to subtract shapes in PowerPoint, enhancing your slide aesthetics. Practice this technique to familiarize yourself with the process, and soon you'll be customizing your slides with impressive effects, leaving your audience amazed.